Here we are at 1507 John Adams in Idaho Falls, Idaho. This is a townhome. It's an end unit, which is kind of nice. Does have some landscaping. Give you a little view of the neighborhood. Sits in a complex here with a lot of other similar townhomes. The entry is covered. As we step in, you'll notice that it does have tile floors here in the landing area. Nice big open family room. Nice big window that faces the front yard. As we continue in, on the left hand side is the washer and dryer room. And on the right hand side is a half bathroom. And as we pass through, we enter the kitchen. It does have granite countertops. This transitions back into tile. Lots of space here for a dining room as well. Dining room table. Sliding glass doors here will take you into the backyard. You do have some privacy fences. Little patio here with an AC. That's it for the main level. I'll go ahead and take you upstairs now. As we reach the top of the stairs, there's a small hallway. On our right is the master bedroom. Full bath here on the left. Does have tile and granite. Bedroom here. You do have a walk-in closet with some built-in shelving. On the other end of the hall are two more bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 there. Second bedroom here. So it's 3 bedrooms total. And another full bath here. Again, tile and granite, full tub and surround there. And that concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. This is Home River Group. If you have any questions or would like to see the home, give us a call or visit our website at homeriveridaho falls.com. Thanks.